Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some jalapeno chicken poppers, so let's get started. So here I have some chicken breasts, and I'm just going to season the chicken breast generously with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now I'm just going to place each piece of chicken breast on a broiling rack and bake for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And now it's time to prepare my bacon. I'm just going to go ahead and fry the bacon until it's nice and crispy. Once it's done, I'm going to remove it and place it on a paper towel to get rid of the excess oil. So now it's time to prepare the other ingredients. Here I have some cream cheese, a bit of milk, and jalapeno peppers. You can also add a bit of green onions to boost up the flavor as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything all together until it's nice and combined. Now that the chicken breasts are fully cooked, I'm going to go ahead and shred the chicken with 2 forks, just like this. And once it's done, it should look something like this. Now it's time to put everything together. So here I'm going to start off by placing the shredded chicken at the bottom. Then I'll be pouring the cream cheese mixture on top. Then I'll be topping it off with some shredded Gouda and cheddar cheese. And I'm just going to allow this to bake for 10 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted. It's like this. And I'm just going to add the bacon and I'm going to garnish it as well. So here you have it, jalapeno chicken poppers. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. Do check out the description box below where you can find the link to this recipe and other recipes. Again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Take care.